Bonjour. So, welcome back to another video. It's so exciting. Okay, what was that? I'm just like, I've been brainstorming in bed, like late nights, like, you know, you can't sleep. And I've bumped into this great concept because I'm an alcoholic. No, I'm not. So basically, well, you've read the title, it's Cocktail Wednesday. And what that means is that it's not Wednesday today, because it isn't. I am so excited that I'm completely not have any. So basically what happens is Cocktail Wednesday is something I thought of in bed while lying awake like every single night. So basically what happens is we're gonna make a cocktail and I'll base my makeup on the cocktail we've been making. Did that make sense? So first of all, I'm gonna answer all your questions. No, I'm not an alcoholic. I know a lot of alcoholics and I'm not one, definitely not. I don't like alcohol that much. I drink it, I don't like getting drunk too much. Like, I really know my boundaries. Like, when I feel I'm getting drunk, I stop immediately. Because I don't want anyone to be thinking they need to drink alcohol. These are gonna be cocktails that I'm gonna also tell you how to create it with it being delicious without alcohol as well. Because let's be honest, alcohol is not delicious. It's just something we need to get drunk. Why Cocktail Wednesday? Why Wednesday? Basically, Wednesday is something people go like, oh, it's the middle of the week, 2 more days and it's weekend and we're gonna celebrate. So what do you do on Wednesday? You have a drink to get through the week. And we're not alcoholics. My neck hurts. Whoa, did you hear that? Ew, that's disgusting. Cocktails. I've been a big fan of cocktail. Personally, I am not a beer drinker. I do drink wine, but not like, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I'm really feeling a wine right now. No, but I always feel cocktails. Cocktails are really fun. It's becoming summer. Summer is cocktail. Simple as that. It's the first Cocktail Wednesday. I'm gonna make a cocktail I created completely myself when I was 16. And it was the punch on my sweet 16th birthday. Everyone was wasted off their asses. People were puking all over the place. It was amazing. Today's video is my cocktail I created when I was 16 and everyone loved it. So when we're doing that, we're gonna sip the cocktail, have a chit chat and create a look that fits the cocktail. I mean, it's a great concept. Come on, I already deserve a like for this. Okay, what do you need for this one? So it's the Sofie cocktail and people love it because I make it every pre-drink, every party I make it and it's completely, there's no drip left. You need vodka. You don't need it, but you do need it if you want to get drunk. This is Polish vodka from my friend Kinga, which I want to thank you so much, Kinga, for giving this to me. She always goes to Poland to visit her family and then she brings back the most delicious vodka. You can literally drink this pure. I don't like to drink vodka pure because it's disgusting, but this is actually some vodka I would drink pure. So it's a... That was Polish. I don't speak a word of Polish except for talk or something. And it's never been opened because we have like 400 bottles of this in the fridge. Next thing you need is syrup. I have no idea what this, I think it's called syrup, but it's like blackberry. I think for the people in the UK, it's something like squash, but like thicker. Thick. And last but not least, no, it's not the last one. You need orange juice, just normal ones or with pieces in it if you're that kind of person. And then the last one, you need a little bit of lemon. Is lemon called? Yeah, lemon juice. Not much. You can use a real lemon for this. And of course, you need a glass, a fancy one with a straw, and a shaker. You don't need that, but you know you want to be fancy. Now, I am not a person that is very good at measuring because it's something I created myself. I don't really have any measurements. I'm just going with my feeling, you know? First, we're going to take the vodka. I have no idea. We're just going to pour it in. That sound. Oh, that's a half a bar. That's a lot. That's way too much. Like, I'm not planning on getting drunk or anything. Then we add a little bit of syrup. Not a little, like just a little bit. This has been such a long time since I've made this, like I don't know what I'm doing. Then we're gonna shake the orange juice. And you want a lot of this. I kind of look like how the color is looking. Yeah, that's about right. Like the puke color, that's what you want. And then you want a little squirt of lemon juice. And I think that's sort of like a quarter of a lemon. Yep. Okay. Now I'm gonna shake, shake, shake.
Shake the bottle.
I feel like I'm gonna shake this and it's gonna go everywhere. I'm a professional. I do this every weekend. Never, but okay. Oh my god. Now obviously cocktails in a cocktail without some ice. I'm gonna quickly get some ice. I only took one ice cube. I don't know why. So, now I'm gonna pour it in. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now what you can do if you want to be really fancy is create a sugar line around the drink area, honey. But I was too lazy to do that, so. And then you have your Sofie cocktail, and I'm scared now because it's quite a lot of alcohol in it. Oh, delicious. Mm. In case you want to make a mocktail out of this, just skip the vodka. You don't need anything else. So they're orange tones, so we're gonna do something orange. Yep. Now I already done my eyebrows with the eyebrow kit Soft and Natural Brows from Benefit Cosmetics. If you want to see that video, I won this actually, and this video is on my channel normally already. So if you want to see that, click here. I'll put it down next to this video, so, you know, my hair's so long. So I use my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas as a base shadow. It's called Halo. I love it. It looks really white, but so am I, and it's really hard to find an eyeshadow base that's light enough. So, yeah, we're using this one. I look ridiculous right now. I love it. So the first color we're going to use, using this palette from Makeup Revolution Soap X, or X Soap. I never know how to, what is it? It's called Extra Spice. Has these lovely colors, and we're going in with yellow. So I just want to have a chat with you guys about alcohol. So I'm pretty sure there's going to come reaction on it that I'm promoting alcohol, which I'm totally not. I think it's totally fine to use alcohol if it's for going out or having fun, but there's also a lot of problematic use by people that I'm absolutely not okay with, but I'm also not a person that's going to be like, we shouldn't do any alcohol because it's bad. Like, okay, but it's nice as well though. It has good cocktails, for example. It's important in life. Honestly, I don't want to say that you have to drink alcohol at all with this video, but then also it has a different countries. Like I live in Belgium, we can drink from the age of 16, and we can drink hard alcohol, like strong alcohol, what's called spirits, from the age of 18. So obviously beers and wine, we can drink that from the age of 16. Now I was a bit like, my parents are not that strict on alcohol, so when I was 16, like I just said, I made this cocktail on my own sweet 16, but I like a good cocktail, so I do hate beer. So, I mean, everyone has this thing. We've done the yellow, now we're going in with Running Late, and it's an orange shade right here. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I am totally not against alcohol, but I don't like getting drunk. Basically because I don't have a strong stomach, So I tend to feel really sick when I get too drunk and throw up. Because being too drunk, because I'm totally fine, I'm drunk, yes, but not like paralytic. But then my stomach at some point just goes like, girl, you need to puke because it's gonna come and you're not gonna be ready for it. But I'm always really nice, like I go to the toilet and I puke. This doesn't happen every time. It goes when I'm going a bit crazy. But it's just like my stomach is full and I need to throw up, get it empty, and then we go on. Now we are going in with 21 is the exact age that I have right now. So I can legally drink in America, but I have not been there, so it doesn't matter. I do think the first time that I actually got drunk was when I was 14, which is a little young, thinking back. But it was the first festival I could go to. Because apparently festivals and going out to a pub were different in my parents' eyes. A festival was okay and the pub wasn't. So I just went to the festival. It was literally the only festival I could do. But I mean, it's cool enough for me at that age. The moment I started going out was when I was 16. We used to always do pre-drinks and that's where we got drunk all the time. And then when we would actually go out, we wouldn't spend a single penny. Those were the days. I am barely going out right now. Like, I'm a student in a city called Leuven, if you're not from Belgium. And it is known for being a party town for students. And I think I've been staying there for 4 years now. And I can honestly say I haven't gone out, like the times I've gone out, I can count it on my 2 hands, and that's sad. I also had early classes and internships that started early, and I'm not a person that goes out until 3 at night and then shows up at their internship at 8 in the morning. Because I don't know how it is in your country, but the party starts when 1 is past, so it's not like you can go out at 10 and go home at 1, because at 1 it starts. And before I do the bottom lash line, I can't speak, and it's not the alcohol, it's really like, it's not. I am going to do the bottom lash line after I've done my concealer and all sorts. I do still have foundation on because I was too lazy to take it off. This one from Essence is called Camouflage Healthy Glow Concealer, and it's in 10 Light Ivory. Because I'm a pale skeleton. Bronzing. And the one I'm using for that is the one from Catrice in 035 Universal Bronze. I sometimes feel like this bronze is not for my skin type, but I'm trying to pull it off. I'm gonna take the purple one. I'm going in under the eyes. I'm going in with the orange. And then last in with the yellow. I don't know if I did a good contour on my nose, but I think I did a pretty good job, you know. If not, maybe you're just laughing at me, but that's fine, I'm used to it. Finishing the look with one of my favourite eyelashes, and half of them are disgusting because I need to clean them. Yes, I reused them. So, these, they're really good, nice and lovely, all of that. Honestly, don't come at me for saying that lashes. Honestly, come at me if you think lashes don't make it look 100 times better, because I mean, please. I'm proudly announcing that I'm the owner of my first Anastasia Beverly Hills product. As lipstick, I'm going to use this Color Boost Matte About Matte liquid lipstick from Essence in the shade 09 Magnificent. magnetic glue. We are completely done. Okay, let's not be that dramatic. Hello. Ist lecker. Proeven. Ah ja. Niet lekker?
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom. Okay, so we're gonna end this video here. If you liked it, so especially like vote the poll and give this video a big thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Cocktail Wednesdays. And you can also put on the notification bell if you don't want to miss a single video. Yeah, that was it. I'm gonna finish my lovely cocktail and I'll see you next time. Bye.